and welcome to Ramadan Recipes, where I'm going to be making some sehri and also some iftar dishes, both sweet and savoury. But today I'm going to be making some Sardine Bhaji. This is a dish that's been made by Bangalorean and South Indian immigrants to the UK, and it's incredibly nutritious as well. So the ingredients that you need to make sardine bhaji include some onions, some sardines in brine which have been drained fully, some sardines in tomato sauce which have been partially drained, fresh coriander leaves, mustard seeds, curry powder, ground coriander, chili powder, turmeric, salt, fresh green chilies, and some oil for frying. And here are the instructions on how to prepare sardine bhaji. So to make the sardine bhaji, I'm going to take a frying pan, place that on a medium to low heat, add in some oil, give that a swirl, and then also add in the onions. Now what we're going to do is make sure the onions are lightly fried and so they become softer and golden in colour. So we're going to raise the heat slightly. And this might take about a minute or two to happen. But keep stirring while you're making sure that they become softer. So the onions have become really crispy, and we're now going to add in the mustard seeds. Give that a stir, and then add in the spices as well. Make sure you give that another stir, blend it all together. And then add in the sardines. You break that up gently, combine it well. Also add in the other sardines with the tomato sauce. Mix that in. And what we're going to do is let that cook on a low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, but I would say less is better, so around 7 to 10 minutes is best. But before we do that, we're going to add in the coriander, as well as the green chilies. So we're now going to leave that for around 7 minutes. So now make sure this is cooked for around 7 to 10 minutes, and I'm going to actually serve this up because it's great for adding with bread or with some rice dishes, and it's really nutritious as well, so it's very, very filling. Sardine bhaji is really high nutritional value. This is packed with nutrients. It's something that contains omega-3 oils, and that's great for anti-inflammatory purposes. Brilliant for reducing your stress levels during Ramadan and making sure your body and your heart are really healthy. It's also got the lycopene from the tomato sauce in there, and that's fantastic for your heart. And something that is actually really great for your heart as well is also the magnesium in the mustard seeds. The mustard seeds contain a lot of other ingredients such as selenium, and the magnesium itself is actually great for lowering your blood pressure. Brilliant for having on a regular basis for iftar and also for sehri, and also alongside other dishes as well. Here's a recap of the ingredients that you need to make sardine bhaji. Here's a reminder of the instructions on how to prepare sardine bhaji. To make the sardine bhaji, add the oil to a frying pan and then add the onions. Fry on a medium heat until the onions become soft and golden and slightly crispy around the edges. Then add the mustard seeds and the spices and stir and make sure the onion is well coated with the spice mix. Add the sardines and stir to mix this with the onions. Cook on a medium to high heat for about 10 minutes and then give that a stir afterwards, and then add the green chilies and the coriander, stir again and then serve hot. So I hope you've enjoyed making the sardine bhaji with me today. This is an essential dish for iftar and for sehri, something you can have on a regular basis, and I'm sure you're going to be able to make it for your iftar as well. So join me again for Ramadan recipes. Ramadan Mubarak to you.